Welcome! Today we're going to look at how to clean the encoder strip on your Brother Inkjet printer. This video will cover the WorkSmart series. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Cleaning the encoder strip is an advanced technique for clearing persistent paper jam errors that continue to display even after performing the basic jam clearing procedure. If you have not yet attempted the basic jam clearing procedure, click the link on the screen to be directed to that tutorial. Before proceeding, you'll need a dry, lint-free cloth. It is important not to use paper, abrasive cloth, or tissues, as fibers can dislodge and damage the machine, and many tissues contain lotions that can coat the encoder strip, causing further errors. To begin, lift the scanner cover with both hands until it locks into position. Press and hold the red X or stop key on the control panel for 5 seconds to move the printhead to the center of the machine. If the printhead fails to move, you'll need to cycle the power by unplugging your machine from the outlet for 5 seconds and then replugging it. Next, we will find the encoder strip. The best way to locate the encoder strip is to look on the left side of your machine in the opening between the platen and the support arm. There you will see 2 plastic strips running the width of the machine, one gray and the other clear. The gray strip is the encoder strip. Next, gently grab the printhead and slide it to the left side of the platen. Using your fingers, grab the encoder strip and lift it high enough to clean. With your other hand, wrap the lint-free cloth around the encoder strip. Grip the front and back of the strip firmly through the cloth, and slide it side to side across the encoder strip 3 or more times, cleaning between the printhead and the far right edge. Gently release the strip, ensuring that it does not snap out of your grip and pick up any grease from the platen area. Now grab the printhead and slide it to the far right edge of the platen. Lift the encoder strip again and scrub it with the lint-free cloth 3 or more times between the printhead and the left far edge. Ensure that no fingerprints are left on the encoder strip and gently release it. Now close the scanner cover. The procedure is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at brother-usa.com/support. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.